What's up, guys? I finally figured out what was wrong. So inside of the script, right here, it said script.fov, which mixes both this and FOV, with it. Actually, FOV already contains script, so you don't need to put scripts again. And also, I forgot I said this earlier in the part one video that checks. So now we have all of that done, all of the building done. Now it's time to go back to this. And since we the reason why I have all that other stuff, like at the bottom it said, like I'll show you where it said task.wait 1 is because if you don't have, like, if it's just running one thing multiple times, it may cause lag. So you have to put it at a certain wait time that you know that it would be acceptable. Because, like, if you do something, and you see, like say if your wait time was like a decimal, like 0.5, then you can do 0.5. I mean, not the wait time, but like, so here, what I mean is that, actually, in here, the wait time is supposed to be like a greater number than 1, but it's still it. So we check for a number that knows that it's always going to check when the other thing changes. So yeah, that's how we do. But boom, bop, and then we're just gonna put all that code in. So functions, yes, functions. They're so great, but also hard to do because, I mean, well, it's just hard. But don't give up hope. Which, honestly, I don't even know, because if I program it and if this works, then that means that you can do it. So I mean, and I haven't used Roblox Studio in such a long time. So if I can do it, then you can do it. So yeah, let's see. If it's inside the traffic light, then script.parent.fov. Alright, yeah. So now, oh yeah, I forgot. We need to grab our own lights. So by grabbing our own lights, we can, well, work the traffic lights. So do this for all three lights. So we can start with the local. Then we're gonna put G, go down, local, and another local, yellow, and I'm doing such random stuff, and red. So boom. So it equals to where it is. So script dot parent, which is the TL model, like the traffic light model itself, and then dot serious right now, green light. Do that for the other ones. Alright, so now that we're done with that, now it's time to go through what all the script do. So, oh, first before we test, so these values are in here, but we need to set them to a value before we start. So a normal value for a yellow wait time is that. And then for like small tests or like just testing if it even works. Oops. I need to keep that blank. So red and green would be 5 seconds because I mean, well, it's just for small tests, and it can't all be three or else it's gonna be like green, yellow, red, and then green, yellow, red. It's not nice, but like just having all of these things at the same time. But just imagine you having a code that's saying, "Oh, if yellow lights equal this," and set both of these to yellow light, and then your your time being all the same. It's not really a traffic light anymore at that point. But so this while true do loop sets the value of what the traffic light needs to be. This makes all the stuff in our things usable. So now we go over to here. Boom. These top two locals is um out of the traffic light, but these are inside the traffic light. This function and that function uses light dot material dot emit light dot material equal enum dot material dot neon because I mean I don't like coloring, so I mean I like coloring outside, but like coding the different colors, like if this is off then switch it to black, that just don't seem right. And then off, basically same thing, but sets it to an off color. And then local function check is checking what color the RYG value is reading, and then um do that as well. And also, hold up, something not matching up right here. Okay, so actually put all of the other stuff to wait. Hold up. Oh, why did I do? Alright, I just noticed this. So boom that, but put that to green. We actually need to put this in actual words because I forgot I pre-programmed it and I forgot to do that. Alright, so now the only things that should be lighting up for you probably, and also me, is our value. We already have that, and if it says something like so never mind about that. It's just there to be there. But now if you go into here, wow, that's just great. Okay. Um, so that may have been a misunderstanding. Wait, hold up. Alright, so check if your RIG value is changing. If it is, then, which is for me, it is, then it's something in the traffic light main, which we didn't quite get the other stuff down quite yet. So we need to end the simulation, go back in here and see. Oh, oh, I keep on doing this. Oh no. Oh, these are fine. But make sure you spell your stuff right because last night I was spelling all the stuff wrong. And I was like, what is happening? Because really, I didn't know what was happening. But also, a main reason why code does not work is because, well, you misspell. But now, if you go over here, we have a fully working traffic light with green light, yellow light, and red light functioning. And if you like this series, next video, I'm planning on making a pedestrian signal. Also go on with this, so like right now the pedestrian signal will be red, then it'll be blinking red, and then green, and then the final 3 seconds it'll be blinking green and then red. So I mean, It's all just, I mean, well, a learning process. I'm learning, you're learning. Again, just don't mind my avatar. Just, I play string hide and seek, so this is why I have such a small avatar. Is because I don't want to get caught. But yeah. So that's your traffic light for you, and I'll make the other video. I don't know when, but yeah. See you on the next video, which I'm pretty sure it's gonna be that one. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not.